we were looking for a deck, complete deck redo, and I found Can Construction by looking on YouTube, and we were so lucky to have found Nate and his crew, and we couldn't have been happier. Great crew. Rocky was wonderful to work with. All the guys were wonderful to work with. They answer all your questions. They're a fun crew to work with. They work efficiently, effectively, and they do an amazing job. We could not be happier. It is a gorgeous deck. It's a beautiful deck. I can't wait to be sitting out there. Nate is just amazing to work with. I highly recommend Can Construction. And if we ever have to do another deck, I would absolutely call Nate and his crew again. Highly recommend Can Construction. We are so happy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.